For years, DJI has owned the pocket camera game. From the original Osmo Pocket to the incredible Pocket 3, each version has pushed the limits of what creators can do with a camera that literally fits in your hand. But now, something big is coming. Leaked images, patent filings, and insider reports are all pointing to one thing: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And if the rumors are true, this could be the most advanced pocket camera ever made. This next-gen pocket isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a full-on redesign built for the modern creator. We're talking a larger 1.33-inch stacked sensor. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. AI-powered autofocus, hybrid stabilization, a 2-inch OLED touchscreen, and even 5.1K video recording at 60 frames per second. DJI is taking compact filmmaking to a whole new level. Smarter, sharper, and more powerful than ever before. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from the rumored price and full leaked specs to the expected launch date and why this could dominate 2025. So grab your gear, hit that like button, and let's dive into what might just be DJI's most revolutionary handheld camera yet, the Osmo Pocket 4. For years, DJI has dominated the handheld camera market, pushing boundaries with its Osmo Pocket lineup: compact, stabilized cameras built for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers on the move. From the original Pocket's debut in 2018 to the highly acclaimed Pocket 3 in 2023, DJI has consistently refined its formula, merging cutting-edge gimbal stabilization with cinematic imaging technology. But now, all eyes are on what's next. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is reportedly on the horizon, and based on new leaks and industry whispers, it could be the most advanced pocket camera DJI has ever created. Recent reports, patent filings, and insider leaks have revealed a lot about DJI's next-gen handheld device, from its upgraded sensor and improved stabilization to its rumored AI-assisted shooting modes and impressive low-light performance. So let's dive deep into everything we know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including its expected price, specs, design upgrades, and launch date, to see whether it's truly shaping up to be a game-changer for creators in 2025. When DJI first introduced the Osmo Pocket, it redefined what creators could do with a camera that literally fits in your hand. Its tiny 3-axis gimbal, paired with exceptional image quality, made it a must-have for vloggers and travelers. The Pocket 2 improved upon this formula with better audio, faster focusing, and wider lens options. And then came the Osmo Pocket 3, which completely revolutionized the lineup with a 1-inch sensor, rotating touchscreen, and 4K 120 frames per second video, giving it near-professional quality in a miniature form factor. Now, as rumors of the Osmo Pocket 4 heat up, it's clear DJI isn't just planning an incremental update. Instead, it's preparing a next-generation pocket camera designed to compete with devices like the GoPro Hero 13 Black, Insta360 Ace Pro, and even smartphones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max that boast serious video capabilities. From leaked images and internal design schematics, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 seems to retain its compact, handheld form factor, but with several smart refinements. The new body is said to feature enhanced grip texture for better handling and a slightly larger chassis to accommodate improved cooling and battery life. One major change might be a larger tiltable touchscreen, rumored to be around 2 inches with OLED technology and HDR brightness for outdoor visibility. The screen may now support multi-touch gestures for easier control of settings and menus, making it even more smartphone-like in operation. DJI could also introduce a removable magnetic filter system for ND filters and polarizers, streamlining the workflow for professional creators who need quick adjustments for bright environments or motion blur effects. Another leak points to improved gimbal stabilization motors, smaller yet more powerful, offering smoother motion tracking, especially during fast walking or action shots. This could make the Osmo Pocket 4 the most stable handheld camera in its class. One of the biggest expectations for the Osmo Pocket 4 is its sensor. Reports suggest that DJI is moving from the Pocket 3's 1-inch CMOS sensor to a new 1.33-inch stacked CMOS sensor, possibly co-developed with Sony. This upgrade would deliver not just sharper images but also improved dynamic range, low light performance, and faster readout speeds. Early leaks indicate support for 5.1K video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second, giving creators stunning flexibility for slow motion and cinematic footage. The new sensor could also enable 12-bit D-Log-M and HLG recording, pushing color depth far beyond what's currently available on the Pocket 3. This stacked sensor architecture also allows faster autofocus and real-time subject tracking, powered by DJI's next-gen AI vision engine, which may debut in the Osmo Pocket 4. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 lies what's rumored to be DJI's new Cine Core 4.0 image processor. This next-gen chip would deliver a massive boost in processing speed, allowing for real-time HDR video, AI scene recognition, and improved noise reduction across all resolutions. Cine Core 4.0 is expected to bring smart dynamic tone mapping, ensuring better highlight control in high-contrast scenes, something vloggers and travel filmmakers will appreciate when shooting under harsh sunlight or mixed lighting. The processor may also enable real-time AI framing, automatically adjusting the composition based on facial recognition, body positioning, or subject motion. Essentially, it's like having an invisible cameraman that keeps you perfectly framed even when you're on the move. Autofocus has always been a critical aspect of DJI's Pocket series, and it looks like the Osmo Pocket 4 will take it to an entirely new level. DJI is reportedly introducing a quad-phase detection autofocus (QPDAF) system, which combines phase detection and contrast detection for ultra-fast focusing accuracy. This new AF system could track multiple subjects simultaneously, a feature that would be perfect for group shots or multi-person vlogs. DJI's Active Track 6.0 might debut with this model, featuring eye detection AF, subject prediction, and 3D motion mapping, ensuring that your subject stays locked even when moving behind obstacles. Of course, the gimbal is what makes the Osmo Pocket so iconic. For the Pocket 4, DJI is rumored to be developing an even more advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization system with enhanced AI horizon leveling. This means no matter how much you tilt, twist, or run, your footage will stay perfectly balanced. Additionally, DJI could integrate electronic stabilization, EIS, alongside mechanical stabilization, creating a hybrid system for ultra-smooth motion capture, especially useful when shooting in 5K or high frame rate modes. One of the most requested upgrades has been better onboard audio, and DJI seems ready to deliver. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature triple microphones with wind noise reduction and spatial sound recording, giving creators cleaner, more immersive audio, co-developed with Sony. This upgrade would deliver not just sharper images but also improved dynamic range, low light performance, and faster readout speeds. Early leaks indicate support for 5.1K video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second, giving creators stunning flexibility for slow motion and cinematic footage. The new sensor could also enable 12-bit D-Log-M and HLG recording, pushing color depth far beyond what's currently available on the Pocket 3. This stacked sensor architecture also allows faster autofocus and real-time subject tracking, powered by DJI's